Last week I shared a video in which I showed how to grow dragon fruit at home, and I did perform hand pollination for its fruit formation. So today I will show you in detail how to hand pollinate dragon fruit in two ways. Let's get started. Hey everyone, I'm Swati and you're watching Backyard Gardening. There are few varieties in dragon fruit which are self-pollinating, but few varieties require pollination to produce fruit. So the dragon fruit flowers bloom at night, as we all have seen in last video, and they look exactly like Brahmakamal flowers. Usually dragon fruit flowers are pollinated by moths, bats or ants. But it is recommended to hand pollinate them for better and larger fruit production. And to perform hand pollination, make sure to wait until the flower opens up completely. It's a very important step. So, how does this happen? How does it work? Basically, hand pollination involves transferring pollens from anthers to the stigma. This is the process which is called as pollination. And if we do it manually, then it's called as hand pollination. So if the pollination happens successfully, then the back part of the flower turns into a fruit, and you can easily see the difference after 7 to 10 days only. So let's understand this in detail. So this single big part is a stigma, which is the female reproduction part of the flower, and all these parts are the anthers, which has pollen, the white powder you can see. So we will collect the pollen first and then we will transfer it to the stigma with the help of a brush, or you can use a cotton bud also. So we have collected this white powder, which is the pollen, and now we will transfer it to the stigma. And we have to do it very gently without damaging the stigma. Now repeat the process couple of times for better results. So this is the first method of hand pollination. Now we'll see the second method. You can opt any of the methods to perform hand pollination. Now in the second method of hand pollination, you can gently close the flower, dab it or pat it or shake it couple of times for pollen transfer, but make sure you do it very gently without damaging the flower or the stigma. Remember to perform hand pollination method at night only, because in the morning flower will get close and it will dry up gradually. So you have to do it at night only when the flower is in full bloom. So if our hand pollination method is successful, then in next few days you will see the fruit growing, and slowly it will grow bigger in size and it will change its color to pink when it is ready to harvest. That's all for today. See you soon with one more interesting video. Bye bye.